Today marks a pivotal moment in scientific history. On this day in 1953, Watson and Crick unveiled DNA's double helix structure. Dr. Morris, how did this discovery fundamentally change biological sciences?
The double helix model was revolutionary. It elucidated DNA replication mechanisms, offering insight into genetic heredity. Think of DNA as a twisted ladder where every rung is a pair of genetic instructions, mirroring how blueprints guide construction.
Absolutely, it's like unlocking the manual of life. But if we look back, how did scientists react to this model initially? Was there skepticism?
Indeed, some were skeptical, particularly in chemistry circles. Initially, some researchers favored different structures like Linus Pauling's triple helix. However, Watson and Crick's model gained traction due to its simplicity and accuracy.
Considering this, have there been any significant challenges to the model since its inception that you can share?
While the core structure remains unchallenged, modern research focuses on understanding epigenetics, or how environmental factors can switch genes on or off, suggesting our genome isn't as static as once thought.
Building from that foundation, DNA research has immensely impacted medicine. Can you explain how this has transformed disease treatment?
Absolutely. By understanding genetic mutations, we've developed gene therapies targeting specific diseases like cystic fibrosis. Visualize this as precision tools in a toolbox, each capable of repairing a unique issue in our genetic code.
That's fascinating, but some argue that the cost of genetic treatments limits their accessibility. What's your take on that?
It's a valid concern. While costs are high now as technologies mature, economies of scale could decrease prices. Recent trends in personalized medicine point towards more affordable and widespread applications in the next decade.
So, do you foresee any upcoming breakthroughs that could further revolutionize the field?
CRISPR technology is remarkably promising. By allowing us to edit DNA with unprecedented precision, it could eradicate genetic disorders entirely, akin to rewriting flawed software code in a malfunctioning program.
Besides healthcare, DNA has transformed forensic science. Can you walk us through its impact on solving crimes?
DNA profiling has revolutionized forensics. It's akin to leaving a digital fingerprint at a crime scene, a near-certain identification method. The Innocence Project, for example, uses DNA to exonerate wrongfully convicted individuals, showing its profound influence.
There are ethical debates about privacy concerns. Could the widespread use of genetic data infringe on individual rights?
That's a critical issue. There's a thin line between using genetic data for public safety and violating privacy. Laws like the Genetic Information Non-Discrimination Act attempt to address these issues, but evolving tech continuously tests these frameworks.
Are there any international efforts to harmonize these privacy protections?
Yes, initiatives like the Global Alliance for Genomics and Health aim to standardize data privacy measures worldwide while balancing it with the need for scientific advancement.
Finally, let's look to the future. How might ongoing DNA research shape individual healthcare and our understanding of heredity?
We're moving towards a future where routine genetic sequencing could be as commonplace as blood tests, allowing for highly personalized healthcare. Imagine having a personalized map showing potential health risks and optimal lifestyle choices based on one's genetic makeup.
That's exciting, but what about potential drawbacks? Could this lead to overdiagnosis or unnecessary anxiety among patients?
Certainly, it poses that risk. Knowledge can be a double-edged sword. However, it will empower preventative medicine, moving focus from treatment to prevention, thus altering the healthcare landscape significantly.
So, considering all this, what should policymakers prioritize to ensure ethical integration of these advancements in everyday healthcare?
Policymakers should focus on robust educational programs, ensuring the public understands genetic information and its implications. Plus, frameworks need to evolve to protect patient rights without stifling innovation.